Guess who's getting back on the horse? I'm gonna try again. I found a coconut for a price I couldn't resist online. Interesting packaging, no problem. There's a little extra gift that comes with it. Nice people. Let's see what we got here. Careful, hold on. Okay, gotta put the camera down. It's a sprouted coconut for a very cheap price. I will take it. Let's see what this one can do, and let's see what I can do. Bring him back to life here. He's had a rough trip, but I think he'll make it. So, it begins again. Alright, this is a coconut. He is potted up, and I put him in the same place as my last coconut because that worked out so well as far as getting him started. A little bit of shelter, but a lot of sun also, and plenty of water in this area. Sorry it's behind a fence, but that's where it's going to be until he gets his strength and plants his roots. So, off we go.